you're saying with only 5% down, I can purchase my first home?
Absolutely.
How does that work? What if I want to purchase something below $500,000? Can you please explain?
Of course. So if you're making around $75,000 before tax with no debts, you pay your credit card on time, and if you can put down 5%, you can actually get into a home up to $500,000.
That's crazy. Meaning with only $25,000 savings, which is not a lot, you can still afford a purchase price up to $500,000.
Got it.
And you still have options in Vancouver. Trust me, I'll help you later. Okay. So if you're like us, Sal and Andy, living in Vancouver, a rather expensive city, and have been thinking about buying your first home, but you don't know where to start and how to get your mortgage approved, we are here today to explain for you how with the minimum amount of down payment and a good, reasonable income, you can actually start your real estate game. Hello guys, Sal Toosi, a real estate advisor.
Hello guys, Andy Lee, mortgage specialist in Vancouver.
And today, we want to answer the famous question of CMHC and how, again, with the lowest amount of down payment, you can get your first home. Andy, one of my personal passion is to help first-time home buyers. They're young, they're motivated, and they want to buy a home, right? They want to stop renting and paying someone else's mortgage, right? Okay,
Absolutely.
So my number one question for you is, what is CMHC and how does it work?
Awesome. Well, CMHC stands for Canada Housing Insurance Corporation. They provide insurance policy for homeowners who wants to buy a property with less than 20% down payment.
Right, which is super attractive because for a lot of, again, young people, we don't have a lot of down payment, right? So do you mean I can buy a house with only 5% down?
Yes, Sal, definitely. So if you're up for CMHC insurance, you can actually put down 5% and you can still qualify for a home. CMHC will provide an insurance policy and give you a mortgage up to 95%.
That's crazy. But Andy, with $500,000, if you're looking in the North Shore or downtown or Vancouver West or a lot of nicer areas like in good places in Richmond or Coquitlam or Burnaby, you don't have a lot of options, right? Mm-hmm. Let's put another number. Let's say I'm looking for a one-bedroom, nice, concrete, high-rise condo for close to $650, right? And I only want to put as low down payment as possible. How much do I need as down payment, and is it possible?
Absolutely possible. You need two things. $100,000 in household income could include yourself and your wife, and also $40,000 in down payment.
That's amazing. So imagine if you and your partner are renting right now, and if together you have a total income of $100,000, each bring in $20,000 of saving only, you can stop renting and afford a one-bedroom in a lot of cities, a two-bedroom, nicer condo with up to $650,000. Awesome. But Andy, is there a limit on CMHC program, and what's the interest rate?
Yeah, the CMHC program actually supports up to $1 million in property value. Believe it or not, interest rate right now could be as low as 2.19%.
That's crazy. That's what we call a really cheap debt.
You got it.
Okay. But Andy, I know there are going to be changes in CMHC starting July 1st. What are the changes, and why is it important to apply today?
So basically, if someone is earning $75,000 today, they can qualify for a property up to $500,000. After July 1st, though, he will need to make additional $10,000, bumping up his income to $85,000 to be able to afford the same price at $500,000.
Okay, and we all know it's not possible for us to just walk to our boss and say we want $10,000 more income, right?
I wish.
So if you're looking to buy your first home, and if you're tired of being a tenant, if you have just a little bit of savings, we are here to help you. And it's important to apply sooner than later. If you would like to learn about your specific case, you just need to click on the link below and book a free consultation with us. Cheers, guys.
Cheers. Thank you.
Awesome.
Okay.
I think that's great.
There's a lot of, I don't know. You did great. I think 6.
Well, because you watched it to the end, here's a bonus tip for you. Did you know that in almost all cases, only the sellers pay the commissions to realtors? So my advice for you is free. So why don't you call me right now to find your next home?